Nobby, get up, man. Get up, Nobby.
Dear God, please help this poor dog too.
Sarah, do you think you can help me walk again?
I don't know. God, Mark's a good guy. He really is. Maybe you could help him walk again? I'll pray for you more when I get home too.
I moved my toes this morning.
Mark, I don't know.
Wait, just give me a chance.
Show me.
Doc, you really think he's got a chance, right? Huh?
Look at him! He's standing!